A subscriber dropped this car off in my driveway. They reached out and told me they had the Muddiest Honda Element that they wanted me to detail, and this is it. Today we're going to clean up the inside and outside, but first, let's get pressure washing that mud off.
Are you afraid to turn out the lights? Is there something you're scared of? What's there out in the dark? Make sure to keep all your windows locked. Do you surrender? You try to stay awake. These walls you can't escape. Here's one for the lonely hearts, for the ones that fear the dark. You better run out of here. Bet you can't look the other way. Here's one for the broken road. That's the only one you know. You better run out, truth or dare. Get me out, take me anywhere but here.
In just 15 minutes, I am launching the largest flash sale on foxclean.com I have ever run. Every single product is 50% off, no coupon codes needed, everything's already marked down to the lowest possible price, so you guys can load up for spring. And everything is gonna go so freaking fast that you need to make sure in just 15 minutes you head over there after this video and stock up.
Walking into the fire, talking like you never die, like you're immortal. You try to stay awake. These walls you can't escape. Here's one for the lonely hearts, for the ones that fear the dark. You better run out of here. Bet you can't look the other way. Here's one for the broken road. That's the only one you know. You better run out, truth or dare. Get me out, take me anywhere but here. Here's one for the lonely hearts, for the ones that fear the dark. You better run out of here. Bet you can't look the other way. Here's one for the broken road. That's the only one you know. You better run out, truth or dare. Get me out, take me anywhere but here. Oh, anywhere but here. Oh, anywhere but here. Oh, anywhere but here.
Now, if you guys thought this video was satisfying, give this video a thumbs up and comment down below, how do you think this car ended up with this much mud on it? I am still trying to figure it out myself. I'm sure some of you are wondering, did I clean the engine bay? Because a lot of that mud does go in there. And yes, I did. But ironically, the camera decided to stop recording, so none of it was recorded, but I did blow all that mud out as well. Now for all the door jams and everything, yes, there is water that does get inside the car, and luckily the Element is apparently made to be flushed out with the flooring because it's all plastic. But yeah, since we're cleaning the interior after the exterior, getting extra water in there really doesn't make a big deal. Now, as weird as this car might be, and as much as I don't understand it, this part I do understand. With the floors being plastic, it's like with pickup trucks that have the plastic floor option. It makes it easier to clean and maintain, just because you can spray it, drill brush it, and wipe it off, and there's no extraction needed. So I do get this portion of this car, but this car is definitely funky and something I still don't understand. It's like a Pontiac Aztek, in my opinion. It's just a weird car that has a very specific demographic. Now, I used degreaser on the steering wheel and the shift knob, but because there was so much nicotine tar and grease caked on it, the steam cleaner had to be busted out and scrubbed heavily to even put a dent in this thing. This steering wheel was nasty.
You know what it means that we're the same kind. The desire you feel isn't the same as mine. I could let you go, but why should I? You're my mission, and on my mission tonight. You're nothing but mine. And the sooner you realize that for all the time, I'm the one you can't sacrifice. I'm the first and the last you ever get. So get off that high horse and beat it. You say it's not the way to go. I hope you feel it, but in a way you're the only one that needs it. I know that you think that I'm wrong, but in this life I'm your only one. Do you know what it means that we're the same kind? The desire you feel isn't the same as mine. I could let you go, but why should I? You're my mission, and on my mission tonight. You're nothing but mine. And the sooner you realize that for all the time, I'm the one you can't sacrifice. I'm the first and the last you ever get. So get off that high horse and beat it.
Now, if you have cloth seats and they're not overly dirty, there's just a couple little bit of spots that need to be cleaned. You can just use APC in a couple of those spots or spray it down and then wipe it clean. These rear seats are a perfect example. They weren't overly dirty, so I hit them with the drill brush and the APC and then just wiped them with a microfiber towel, and it cleaned up any surface stains. The benefit to this is none of that liquid from an extraction goes deep into the cushion, so anything that's just surface level gets cleaned and nothing deeper gets pulled up. So it's definitely an option to consider if they're not heavily soiled seats.
I'm the one you can't sacrifice. I'm the first and the last you ever get. So get off that high horse and beat it. Beat it. Beat it.
Now, because the fabric on the front driver and passenger seat had tons of grease and nicotine tar and cigarette residue, they had to be scrubbed and then steam cleaned and then scrubbed again with degreaser. That's the only way I was able to actually bring the fibers back. Otherwise, they had a plastic sheen over them because of how much grease was caked into them.
Half the town screaming out in vain, the other half is fake, but everybody's singing along. It's okay, we'll all soon be gone. Hey, what's the matter with the bright red lights? Hey, in the moment when the world went blind, but everything's alright. We don't give a damn this time. Everyone's a hypocrite. In this game we cannot win. Hey, what's the matter with the bright red lights? Hey, in the moment when the world went blind, but everything's alright. We don't give a damn this time. Highly sedated, intoxicated. We're automated and overpopulated. We're all fish in a stream, swimming towards a vicious dream. Don't you know we're the walking dead? Our lives were meant to be this bleak.
Now, in just 5 minutes, that Fox Clean 50% off sale is launching, so make sure you head over there after this video to take it full advantage and get, like I said, drying towels for only $19. That is a steal. You will never see that price anywhere cheaper. Detailing brushes, $7. Everything is super, super cheap over there, so make sure after this video you stock up, whether it's for birthday gifts, for yourself for spring, or for you have a detailing company. I don't care if you buy 50 sets of detailing brushes. If you need them, go pick them up.
And manipulated. Nothing's ever as it seems. We're bound to believe everything they scream. Don't you know we're the walking dead? Our lives were meant to be this bleak. Somehow they got into our heads. We're wide awake, yet still asleep. We're the walking dead. We're the walking dead. Oh, 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 oh. We're the walking dead. We're the walking dead. Oh, 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 oh. Highly sedated, intoxicated. We're automated and overpopulated. Don't you know we're the walking dead? Our lives were meant to be this bleak.
Hope you enjoyed today's video. Definitely head to foxclean.com.